5 persons are dead while 2 persons remain in hospital in critical condition following a 2-vehicle collision in Hopewell, Hanover last night. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
A wrecked car door and disassembled gas tank tell the tale of what took place along the Orchard Main Road in Hopefield, Hanover on Sunday night. It's understood that shortly after 10, a grey Toyota Corolla with 5 persons aboard was traveling from Negril when the driver lost control. The vehicle drifted in the path of a white Toyota Corolla station wagon traveling in the opposite direction.
The 5 persons that were in that Corolla, that grey Corolla, succumbed to their injuries. The other 2 persons that were traveling in the other vehicle is still at the hospital. Understand that their situation is somewhat critical but stable. We learned further that the grey Toyota Corolla, 2001 grey Toyota Corolla, right, it was traveling from Negril. I understand that they were coming from a party.
4 of the victims have been identified. They are 28-year-old Joseph Brown, Philip Jones, Nicholas French, and 30-year-old Jan Morris.
It's a great loss for me, yes, sir. Because all 5 in the vehicle is from around in the surrounding. You see, 3 come from this community and 2 from the other community. But you know, say, I want love we deal with.
124 persons have been killed in road crashes since the start of the year. This is a 4% decrease when compared to the same period last year. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.